interiors. This is the last of those remaining trains. This is his last day in service. It will be withdrawn from service this evening for refurbishment to the standards of the rest of your District Line fleet. The next station will be Victoria, change for the Victoria Line, National Rail Services and Victoria Coach Station. This train is District Line service to Ealing Broadway. Those of you alighting from the train at Victoria, please remember to take all of your belongings with you when you leave the train. And I'd like to wish you all a very nice evening and an enjoyable weekend. Thank you for travelling with London Underground.
Your name like a prayer. Would you hear me look in my fear? Knowing I need you so. Just